Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I'll be taking you through a 1 and 2 bedroom house located in Kisii town, 5 kilometers around from Kisii town. I'll be showcasing you around the house, the rooftop, and we'll be seeing everything. So guys, let's get in. So this is the sitting room or the living room. Very spacious, well tiled, can contain any type of seat that you have. Okay, that is the kitchen. Let me take you to the kitchen and see how it looks. Also, this is the kitchen, very spacious. There's a water supply there, 24 hours. Those are the wardrobes. The kitchen is very well tiled. Even you can see all over the walls we have the tiles. Let me take you to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. You have your cabinet where you keep your clothes. So this is a 1 bedroom, guys. That is your cabinet. There is your wardrobe. That is your wardrobe. So let me take you to the bathroom or the washroom. That is your washroom. As you can see, guys, it's very well tiled. Every tiles all over the walls. That is the sink where you can wash your hands, maybe brush your teeth. Okay, so this is the sitting room. That is my friend. Okay, that is the view, the outside view. We have so many trees around us. That is the outside view. Okay, let me take you to the upstairs. Let me showcase you the staircase. So this is the staircase, very spacious, very clean, as you can see, guys, well tiled, very spacious. If you have those seats that are very big, I think they can pass here easily. Let me take you to the rooftop and showcase you the rooftop and the kind of environment that we have here. So guys, this is the rooftop, the view. As you can see, that is I told you guys, there are so many trees surrounding us. That is your view, the view of the rooftop where you can relax. You can also hang up your clothes after washing. As you can see, guys, very clean. Those are the tanks. You have the full supply of water. Around us, that is the town. Let me showcase you the town. You see how the town looks. Not far from here, about like 5 kilometers from town. That is outside view, the environment, very cool, fresh air from the trees, and everything, guys, that you might need.